Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make professional intro using CapCut. So here what you need to do is just use a black background like this and then just write your text and style it to how you like it. For example, in here I'm going to just write like this. You can change the font to how you like it. I'm going to go with Rubik, for example, and here you can click on a check icon and don't forget to adjust the length. Now export this project, and after that you can open a new one using the black background. So I'm going to just delete this. Now you can add your logo, so go to overlay, add overlay, and then add the logo in here. Okay, so I'm going to use this logos right here. Now you can add a keyframe at the start of your logo. Here, decrease its size. And then move forward, and then here you can make it bigger again. Move forward a bit, and now move the logo to the side. Like this, for example, and then you can add the text video that you just exported before. So click on overlay, add overlay, and then add the okay, let's try again. So you need to put the overlay of the text video here under the second keyframe. So add it into the timeline and find layer and put it to the bottom. So just drag it like this. Click on a check icon, and now you can find mask. Choose the horizontal and just rotate it like this, the masking. Okay, click on a check icon, and here you can add a keyframe. Then move forward, and under the third keyframe of the first overlay you can go to masking again, and now you can drag the masking. So here you can do the masking. Okay, I'm going to click on this under the third keyframe. You need to click on the text video and find masking again here and move the masking until the whole text is revealed. Okay, you can move the text if it's not right. Let's go to masking again. Okay, so it will go like this, and let's see the result. Okay, so this is the intro that you want, and that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.